Hi, my name is Tammy Hart, and I'm a software engineer with a focus on front-end and user experience. I have over 15 years sitting at the intersection of UX and scalable architecture. I'm passionate about the builder experience and making software feel as great as it looks. I just wanted to do a quick introduction of myself, show you some of the things I've been working on. A great resource for that is to check out my website at tammyh.art, click on case studies, or any of the other content that I have available. Something that I recently released is the open source software called Grammar Style. It's an NPM package, free for everybody, and we will be opening it up for contributors soon. This is a design token governance engine. It provides the ability to define your primitives, sync those to semantics, and they generate CSS vars, but you have total type safety. That way, there's no ghost tokens or making sure you're spelling things correctly, and you're not wondering why applying that CSS var just didn't apply the correct style. There's adapters for every major library out there, including Tailwind, StyleX, and so many more. I really enjoyed integrating this into another project, which is called Rhyme. Right now, I have this open up to join the waitlist. You can submit your email and kind of where you're coming from your personal cash flow journey. The purpose of this app is to give people the ability to plan for their spending by looking forward and not at their historical spending. You have your tuning page where you can set up all of your income and different settings, and then you go to your lyrics, which is where you manage your monthly expenses. You can also make quarterly and yearly expenses. You can see up here that it calculates your income, how much you have arranged each month, and then gives you an estimate of what you have left over at the end of that month. The meat and potatoes of this app are the verses. These will be generated for every single drop or payday that you have. It will tell you how much you have to pay within that payday and how much you have left over free to spend. If you feel like you have a discrepancy of one half of the month versus the second half of the month, it's probably because you need to shift obligations backwards and forwards so that you're paying things in a timely manner and never feel broke. That is the main feature of this product, and I'm really excited to get it built. As you can see, there's a lot of work to be done. Something else that I've been working on for a while is a project for my daughter, Chloe Hart. She is an aspiring film director and has an awesome idea called Heir of Dragons. She wanted a website that would make it easy to draw attraction and interest for the project and be able to show off some of her ideas and her art. We're still working on a lot of the content, as you can see by the placeholders, but it's pretty fun, and all the functionality is completely custom. Something that I paid close attention to was touch friendliness and accessibility. You can tab through this navigation, use your arrows to go through the drop-downs, go to each main section and beyond, and of course backwards. There's a search, there's notifications that you can tab through, and then once you go to your profile, you can find your bookmarks. You can see that Chloe doesn't have a lot of activity in her account yet. She does have this one fan art piece. Technically, this isn't fan art. This is definitely her art. But like I said, we have a lot of placeholder content for now. All the form functionality is completely custom, and there's data integrity built in. If you create a post and attach media, and then you get several replies, perhaps those replies also have media, or maybe somebody bookmarked your post, or maybe they got a notification because they were mentioned, or because you're the author and somebody replied to you. All of those relations will get deleted when you delete the main topic. This required an intense attention to detail to make sure that the cascading effects were handled properly and error-free. I'm even adding trash collection so that it doesn't delete immediately when we have a time to recover it. This project has been a lot of fun, and we can't wait to get it launched to the rest of the world. I live in Tulsa with my Maine Coon kitten and my adult daughters. I have 3 of them. They're pretty amazing. I really enjoy remodeling my 1980s home. I do all the work myself. It's extremely satisfying. I have always worked in remote roles for my home, and I thrive in that environment. I am looking for a place to bring my vast experience and really grow a product. I can't wait to meet you.